Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to change some transistors on the Yamaha mixer o1v96 version 2. Why? Because the faders are not going up and down automatically. Fader 5 is stuck on the bottom side. It won't go up. I have had this previously with 4 and 7. I repaired it, but now it's 5. Transistors are getting old on this mixer, so we'll see. First of all, I have some transistors that I bought off of China websites, and I will paste a link down below. There's 2 sets actually. I'll read it out loud. The B1181 RG. That's the transistor that I have. And the other one is D, because you need 2, and I never know which one, because you never know which one is broken. The other one is also invisible for the camera, but it's the D1733 RK. I searched a lot for these transistors because the right ones are very hard to find. I bought these one off a Chinese website for €2 and they work, so that's a good tip. Because the original transistors are about 30 or 40 euros if you want to buy one. I bought for €2, I bought 20 transistors actually. So what you do is you unscrew the sides. There's 6 screws on this side, 4 screws on this side, 6 on this, 4 on the bottom. Unscrew it. I already did that before I decided to make a video about it. It's a crap video gonna be anyway, but oh well, at least I can talk to somebody. Open it up. You have all these ribbon cables. I already unlocked them, but you can just, the white ones you can pull out. The gray ones are the ones where you have to lift the clips on the side up, and then you can pull them out. Sometimes they're quite stuck, so if you're afraid that you're gonna break something, just try another one just to see how it feels. Some are very stuck, some can go out easily, depends on if somebody already opened the mixer. One thing is for sure, make sure you made a backup of your mixer files, because this cable actually is the one on top. If you put this one not all the way correct in here, back, it will erase your memory. And it will make sure your mixer will power down during show. So be very careful with this cable. This side is the 0. It will power down your mixer if you don't attach it the right way. I have found out that the hard way. Also, here's the battery for your memory. Don't remove it, because then you will erase your memory. And what I said, make sure to make a backup of your memory, because I erased my memory a few times before. So I now make a backup. Okay, you can lift the thing out. Make sure you have something soft for your mixer to lay on. Make sure you have that by the hand before you start working on your mixer. Here's your right. So you put it on the diode transistor setting thing. I'm not very good with electronics actually. Well, I'm good with making them, repairing them, but I never know the names. Doesn't matter. I'm just a little bit bad with names, dyslexic and everything. This one is 8, 9, 14. Look at this. This 14, this paw. This one doesn't give a beep. So it's about 1400 and 900 every paw if you measure them. You can just measure every paw and it's like 1400, 900 the other side. This as well. I have to turn the meter around here. Because it's one way, of course. 9, 14, 1400. 900, and then we turn it around and we see this one 1400. 1. 1's not good. TR 305. 305. Should write it down somewhere. So, I think everything's hot now, especially because I was away a long time. Need some pliers. I'll cut the middle part out because I was away for 10 minutes to do the laundry. Unless you want to see that on the video. But I don't think so. Alright, so it's 305. Won't be the first time that I do the wrong one. Just cut this short, of course, would be much easier. You can skip over the boring part of the video if you want to. I usually do. And now, there we are. This, I'm going to remove the rest of the tin as much as possible, the old paste. Like this. I'm not as good as the guy from New York called Ross something Newman. The guy is always swearing about the Macs that he fixes. He's a very good soldering guy. My respect for that. Let's see what I did. Remove. This is an 811. It's very hard to read. 811. So this is 811, this is all 811 the other side, and this is all D73, D173 something. So I needed this one. That's good, because I got about 20 of them left. this up. Because I will lose these resistors again if I don't clean them up. Right, so I'm at a lower temperature. Put some soldering on this. Nine. 11, well, 12, will be 14. At least it's contact on both sides. This will work. Right. Maybe it would be nice to upload the whole video with all the stupid shit I say, just to pollute the internet a little bit more with shit. That's what it is. Pure and simple, all kinds of shit. Well, I'm gonna put all the ribbon cables back again. Probably you won't see it all because I need to make some really annoying angles to do this. Alright, this time. Right. Well, it was not a very long job, was it? Or maybe we have to break in between. Could have been shorter, even. And of course, I need a cable that's somewhere here. Right, put this in, test the motherfucker. You can see me fail live. Let's see, can you see the faders? Yes. Right, bring it up. Let's see what happens. There's a startup time of about 20 hours. Let's see where it goes. Please work. One, two. Puff. You see the fifth fader? Going up. Down, up, down, up, down. Working like a charm. Well, that's about it. I'm gonna screw this one back together. I think you can do that yourself. You don't need a camera for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoyed watching. See you next time. Bye bye.